Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado hair oil at home. This natural treatment can deeply moisturize your scalp and strands, promoting a healthy shine and reducing breakage. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily create this beneficial oil using just a few simple items from your kitchen. Get ready to transform your hair care routine with this homemade solution. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, which should be soft to the touch for easy mashing, and 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil. Also, have a clean mixing bowl and a fine mesh strainer ready. These simple items are all you need to start crafting your very own nourishing hair oil. Let's get cooking. First, scoop out the avocado flesh and mash it thoroughly in your bowl until it forms a smooth, lump-free paste. Next, add the 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the mashed avocado and mix well. Transfer this mixture to a saucepan and gently heat it over low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. This process helps infuse the oil with avocado's nutrients. Once cooled, strain the mixture through your fine mesh strainer, pressing firmly to extract all the oil. Apply this rich oil to your hair and scalp, leaving it on for about 30 minutes before shampooing. For storage, keep any unused oil in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. And hey, for an effortless clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.